The Sustainable Development Goals. You may have heard of it before, but what is it exactly? What are these goals? Will we achieve them? Will they save us from climate change, hunger, diseases, and social problems? We will try to answer all of these questions in the following series of videos. If you are not familiar with the term sustainable development, or don't quite sure what is that, check out our video about history of sustainable development. The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, is the current UN Plan for Sustainable Development. They were adopted in September 2015 by all UN members. Official title of the document is Transforming Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. It is a 15-year plan with a comprehensive, far-reaching and people-centered set of universal and transformative goals. This agenda is a universal call to action on numerous urgent issues. The main slogan of the project is Leaving No One Behind, which implies a partnership of organizations, governments, businesses, and communities on the path toward reaching the SDGs. The implementation process began on January 1st, 2016. There are 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which are aimed at achieving sustainable development in its three dimensions: economic, social, and environmental, in a balanced and integrated way. The SDGs are applicable to all countries, taking into account different national realities, capacities, and levels of development. Nation-states play a crucial role in the realization of the agenda, which is carried out through the adoption of national SDG action plans. Each country faces specific challenges in its pursuit of sustainable development. Overall, there are 17 goals, 169 targets, and 231 unique indicators. Each goal has its own targets, and each target has its own indicators. The SDGs are integrated, which means that action in one area will affect outcomes in the others. Thus, it is a complex network of goals and their targets. Scholars distinguish two main types of correlations between goals and even targets: a significant positive one, which is described as a synergy, and a significant negative one is a trade-off. For example, SDG 1, No Poverty, has a synergetic relationship with most of the other goals, while SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, is the goal most commonly associated with trade-offs. Scholars agree that interactions between the SDGs may cause divergent results, but synergies between and within the SDGs prevail both in terms of levels and over time change. We can monitor progress toward the SDG through the UN Global Annual Report, voluntary national reports, and measurement tools such as the SDG Index. That's all for today. In the following videos, we will look at how the SDG work at the national level, break down the key points of criticism of SDGs, and we'll take a closer look at the goals themselves. So, subscribe, click the notification bell, and stay tuned.